Hi, my name is Fadl Rahman and we are going to discuss what is the JavaScript, especially for the Google Tag Manager. And so basically JavaScript, it is a language which is present all the browser in this planet. So if you have expertise are going to learn the Google Tag Manager, then you have must know the JavaScript because the Google Tag Manager builds on the JavaScript. So because if you want to improvement in your skill on the Google Tag Manager, then you have to know the JavaScript because you have to write the custom HTML code and the JavaScript variables and the data layers. So for this, for write all these functions, you need to know the JavaScript. So basically we are in the Visual Code and you do not need to install any Visual Code because we will write, you can practice your code in your browser. So we will discuss in this later in this video because we are in the Visual Code. So we will going to write our first code. So you have to type the console and put the dot and puts the log. Basically the console log, it is the instruction to the JavaScript print my code. It is like the tool that or that instruct the JavaScript to print my code. You have to use your parentheses, so then you have to use the quotation marks. So when you use the quotation marks, it is that you are telling the JavaScript this is the my text version. Okay, I am writing in the text version. So I'm going to write a line, any line. For example, my name is Fazal. After the closing parenthesis, you have to put the semicolon. So now our code is complete. So we have to run our code. So for this, we are going to new terminal. So now we are here to we are here to so node video one dot js. So first of all we have to save this. Okay, now basically you do not need to anything there, so do not worry. So first I just click the print and you can see that our code is running. My name is Fazal. I just not I fuzz up. So basically this is your first code and you know you have to write the console log, then use the parentheses and use the double quotation if you are using the text version, then close this um, by semicolon. So you can write your code in your browser. How can you write your code in your browser? So this is our browser. So okay, so I am going to just inspect. I think it is. So I am just, you have to right click and go to the inspect. So you have to click on the console. Basically console, that place where your code behave, where you can see how your code is working, how your code is working fine or not. So you are going to console, click on the console. So you can write the same code here to check your, so you can write your practice there. So console, write the console, then you have to put the dot, then you have to log. So when you have to use the parentheses and put the quotation marks, the same line my name is Fazal. Okay, then close your quotation marks and close your parentheses and put the semicolon. Okay, so a same code we written here. You can see that our when you click the enter, so you will see that my name is Fazal. Our code was fine. So you can practice your basic JavaScript here. After the basic, we would write all our code in the HTML custom HTML tag of the Google Tag Manager. So this is from me. Thank you so much.